Okay. Hey, hi. This is a reality test of International English Language Testing System powered by IDP to assess the level of the candidate. My name is Suman and I am here to conduct your speaking of candidate number 11128 and your name is Ritu. So, okay, shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. May I know your full name?
My name is Ritu.
How may I address you?
You can call my first name Ritu.
Where are you from?
I come from Shri Mashiwada Sahib. It is a small town. It is nearby Ludhiana.
What is your previous qualification?
I have just completed my plus 2 in arts stream in Government Girls Senior Secondary School.
What is your major?
My major subject is English, elective Punjabi and physical science.
Okay. Now let's talk about farming. Have you ever interned in farming?
Yes, my father and my grandfather doing a farming because it is very important for me and my house.
What kind of farm would you like to visit?
Mostly I like to visit in the different farms because farms to.
Okay. Is farming an important occupation in your country?
Yes, in my country, farming is most important work because there are so many person doing a farming to make a different, to keep a different type of foods in my country.
Do people engage in farming in your hometown? Do people engage in farming in your hometown? Okay, it's okay. This is the end of part 1. Now for part 2, here is a cue card with some questions. You will have a minute to look at the question and you need to speak for 2 minutes on the topic of card. If you wish, you can use this note and pencil to make some notes. It's your turn. Describe a plan you have for the future, not related to work or study.
I take so many plans. Some is related to my study and some is related to my career. But here I would like to talk about a plan, but it is not related to my study or my work. I remember in my third standard and then started my summer vacation. I make some plan. I make some platform on the YouTube because it is the best platform to make to express her feelings on the YouTube videos, upload different type of videos. Then I make so many videos related to food because I think nowadays so many students go for out of country for foreign because they complete her further education. So it is so they live alone. They do not prepare food. So I decide to how I make a different kind of videos related to food, because they easily prepare food at home. Then easily prepare at food at home. So then my friend and my family more support in this field for me. Then at last I feel very happy, because I help with my I help to everyone for going to out of country. Then they easily prepare food.
Okay, stop. I'm going to stop here. Your time is up. So please, now I'm asking you some follow-up questions. Which is better, having a lot of plans or having no plans at all?
According to me, they are children follow a different kind of instructions. Like they follow her follow the.
How do individuals feel when their plans don't work out? How people feel when their plans don't work out?
People feel very bad, because they do not have any choice to do work, so they do. People should make some plans related to in further education and further future.
Why do most people make plans before they go for travel?
According to me, people make a different type of plans related to weather and situation, because sometimes the weather is not good, so they at a time they change her plan, so they easily on the going to outside they check the weather on the mobile phone.
Do you think being unsuccessful is a sign of poor future planning?
I think it is not okay, because sometimes children do not like to do work any type of, because they feel they do not interest to do work, so it is not